day everyone. In today's class, we will be talking about a particular sound in English language that has two sounds. So today's topic is about letter C sound. Letter C sound. It has two sounds: soft C sound and hard C sound. What is the objective of this class? The objective is to understand the difference between soft C sound and hard C sound in English. So what then is the difference? What is the difference between soft C sound and hard C sound? Then what are the rules to indicate the soft C and the hard C? When C comes before letter E, letter I, or letter Y, it's usually soft C sound. It makes the sound of S. Examples: citrus, cycle, cinema, scent, cell. These are soft C sound. You see, in these words that I just mentioned, the letter C sound S. Normally, what we teach in sounds now is that letter C sound K. But you see that these words that I mentioned now, C sound S, and we give that one soft C sound. Then how do we indicate hard C sound? When C is followed by other letters apart from letter E, letter I, and letter Y, when it's followed by other letters like letter A, B, C, D, and other letters, it sound K, and we call that hard C sound. It sounds K. For instance, car, cup, book, come, cake, clip, crown. All these are hard C sound, and this is the normal sound that we teach. Letter C sound K. So this is hard C sound. Then the first one is soft C sound, that when C is being followed by letter E, that's vowel sound E, vowel sound E, and letter Y, then that gives you soft C sound. That is, and I give examples: cycle, cinema, citrus. Then what are the tips to master this so that it will not disturb your pronunciation? You will master it. The tips are: pay attention to origin words like Greek words, Latin words to help with pronunciation. Practice pronunciation regularly. Practice it regularly. With this, you can master all these tips. You can master the rules in C sound. Understanding soft C and hard C sound helps in pronunciation in English, and it also helps in reading skills. Always remember the rules and practice pronunciation regularly. So I hope by now you understand why C has two sounds. Why is it that they told us that letter C sound K, but you see somewhere they said it's center, cinema. So why not kinema? kenta, like they told us letter C is sound k. So you now know the rules. Alright, so now I think we do some practice. We are going to do some practice. Look at these words that are going to appear on the screen and identify the ones that has soft C sound and the one that has hard C sound. Circle, circle. Is it soft C? The C there, is it soft C sound or hard C sound? Cucumber. Is it soft C sound or hard C sound? Computer. Is it soft C sound or hard C sound? Center. Center. Is it soft C sound or hard C sound? Another practice. Write 5 words with soft C sound and 5 words with hard C sound. Write the words in the comment section. Let's see. And I will give you assignments. Yes. Assignment. Your assignment is quiz yourself. Yes. Quiz yourself on this topic that we just treated, soft C and hard C. Do research for some words that has letter C and find out those letter C. Does it sound soft or hard? That is the assignment. Write it on the comment section and let's see the progress we are making. Thank you. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are welcome. Do well to subscribe, like and share. It will motivate us to do more. See you in class next time. Bye.